Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 13th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, the market certainly sold off again, and in fact, accelerated into the close. You can see the Dow here down 132 points and closed at its lows of the day. Now, more importantly, it surpassed this previous low from June 1st. So a lower low has been put in here. If you look at the S&P 500, it was down 17 points and also a new low put in here. NASDAQ was down 46 while the Russell was down almost 14 points and is right back to that 20-period moving average. On the flip side, we have the yen putting in fresh new highs. Same thing with the bonds. New highs here, 135.39. Gold climbs another 11 points, and crude recovered most of this. Was still down about half a point on the day, but was down lower and then started to recover by the end of the day. Now, a couple of other things to note. Apple, as we mentioned yesterday, was at the Worldwide Developers Conference today. They presented a bunch of new product upgrades. Well, unfortunately, it didn't help the stock at all. It still finished lower by 1.5 points. And also wanted to talk a bit about the VIX. Now, this is the fear index. Whenever there's some type of fear that comes into the markets, you'll see this index spark. Now, many people try to trade the VIX, but trading off of this instrument is very difficult. Your best bet is use the ETF VXX here. And what you should know about this is that most people, or at least most professionals, use this as a hedge. So in other words, if you have a portfolio of stocks and you're long those stocks and you want to protect yourself in times of fear such as this, then buying calls on the VIX is a great way to protect yourself, because as stocks sell off, this will shoot higher. And you can see that in the last couple of days, this has really accelerated. Today was a huge day for the VIX. Okay, so keep an eye on that to gauge the fear in the overall market. Now, also, last night, at the end of the video, I mentioned that we are switching over to YouTube for our videos, and I showed this picture here. And, you know, all of you had a chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which I highly encourage you to do. I'm sure, like me, you must get hundreds of emails every day, and this is one way to ensure our updates don't get lost in that mountain of emails. But after I showed this picture, we got some pretty funny captions from some of you based on the expression on my face here. So we thought we'd have a bit of fun with this. By all means, respond back and comment. Give us your caption. What you know, based on this expression here. And over the next few days, we'll review them all and we'll pick a winner, and the winner's caption will be featured right under this link here for us. So you can either just reply to the email that you receive with this video, or send us a note at info@tradingwinds.com. I look forward to reading them all. We should have some pretty good ones. But again, I look forward to that. Thanks again, everyone, and we will see you on our next update.